Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
10 idioms and expressions associated with mother. Like and subscribe to the channel. Mother knows best. Meaning, trust a mother's advice or instincts, because they are often right. Examples: I wanted to stay up late, but my mom told me to get some rest. Mother knows best. Before I made a big decision, I asked my mom for guidance. After all, mother knows best. Like mother, like daughter. Meaning, daughters often resemble their mothers in behavior or personality. Examples: Emily has the same passion for baking as her mom. Like mother, like daughter. She picked up her mom's kindness and generosity like mother, like daughter. Mama bear. Meaning, a mother who fiercely protects her children. Examples: at the school meeting, she fought for her child's needs like a determined mama bear. You don't want to mess with her when it comes to protecting her family. She's a real mama bear. A face only a mother could love. Meaning, a humorous way to describe someone who isn't conventionally attractive but is still loved unconditionally. Examples: he joked about his wild hairstyle, saying, "This is definitely a face only a mother could love." The puppy was a bit scruffy, but his owner adored him. Truly a face only a mother could love. The hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. Meaning, mothers have a profound influence on their children, shaping the future. Examples: a mother's influence extends far beyond the home. After all, the hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. Behind every great leader is a mother who shaped their values. The hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. A mother's touch. Meaning, the special care and attention only a mother can provide. Examples: no matter how messy the house was, it always felt warm and welcoming thanks to a mother's touch. The homemade soup tasted extra comforting. It must have been made with a mother's touch. Tied to your mother's apron strings. Meaning, being overly dependent on your mother. Examples: she wants to be independent, but her family says she's too tied to her mother's apron strings. He struggled to move out because he had been tied to his mother's apron strings for so long. A mother hen. Meaning, someone who is very protective or caring, often used for mothers. Examples: he's always checking on his teammates, acting like a mother hen during practice. She hovered around her kids at the playground, watching them like a mother hen. Mama's boy. Meaning, a boy or man who is overly attached to his mother. Examples: he calls his mom every day for advice on even the smallest decisions. Definitely a mama's boy. Even in his 40s, he couldn't make a choice without consulting his mother. Classic mama's boy behavior. Home is where your mom is. Meaning, the presence of a mother defines the feeling of home. Examples: no matter how far I travel, I always feel at home when I visit her. Home is where your mom is. She moved to a new city, but the moment her mom visited, it finally felt like home. Home is where your mom is. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications.